Hello, my beloved student. We meet again in character building subject with Miss Esther with the new topic. What the new topic means about sportsmanship? Okay, what the meaning of the sportsmanship? The meaning of the sportsmanship is the chivalrous, honest, follow, obey the rules, not emotional, strong and brave. Sportsmanship also a fair, honest attitude towards your opponent. And then an attitude of willingness to acknowledge superiority, strength, and threat. Okay, student. Sportsmanship also, according to KBBI, fairness, honest toward opponents, willingness to acknowledge superiority, opponent strength or defeat, weakness, one's own mistake, honesty, sportsmanship. Sportsmanship also does not mean losing fair and square when competing. Okay, look at this, student. Okay, this one when you sportive like this one about the pictures. Sportive also means the attitude of the knights to accept defeat, want to appreciate and respect as well. Okay, recognizing the advantage and victories of. Okay. Okay, let's see this one example about sportsmanship when you have the competition like respect. Please respect and obey the rules. Okay, you must follow the rules. Okay, this one. The second one, treat other as we would like to be treated. Okay, you must, when you do good to your friend, and then your friend also do good for you when you doing competition. Okay, number 3, respect teammates as well as opponents. You must respect each other. Okay, student. Okay, this one number 4, respect coaches and official in the match. Of course, you must respect with the coach because the coach teach you how to play. Okay, and then the other one, always play fairly. Play well according to the rules and fair. Okay, student. Okay, and then accept the decision of the coaches and reverse gracefully. You must accept what decision of the coach. Okay. Okay, student, this one, the last, you also forgive yourself. Even you lose your competition, you must forgive yourself and accept defeat and fight again and try again for the next match and next competition. Okay, student, I think enough for today. See you next week. Bye bye. Take care and stay healthy.